Hello and welcome to the simplest video explanation on update and delete command. So the update command, let's say in a classroom there are plenty of students and we also have a database maintained for the students in MySQL of course. Now what if we want to change their marks or date of birth or stream? Whatever is the data, but you have to update it. So now we are on the MySQL screen. At first, I'm just going to display the data using the simple select star from student command. Okay, as you can see here, I have 4 records in the table and now I will use the update command. So update student, set total marks equals to 450. So now for whom am I going to change it? It is for ID 3. And why I'm going to select ID? Because it is the primary key of the table. So where ID is 3. That's it. Query OK, 1 row affected. Now let us check the data. So as you can see that the total marks have been updated from 390 to 450. Now I'm going to make another query, same update command we will use, but this time we are going to change 2 columns. So set DOB, date data type, always put single quotes, don't miss that. So I'm just giving another date and height is equals to 5.99, right? So now again the condition where ID is equal to 4. So this time again our query worked. Let's check out the new data. Sorry, I just misspelled the table. Never mind. Okay, so as you can see, both DOB and height has been updated in the table. Now I'm going to do another update query. So I'm going to update student and this time I'm going to update the stream, but this is going to be something else than the previous two. So as you can see, we have science, commerce, arts, and what if I just write set stream equals to science, and I am not going to give any where condition this time. So make sure before you do this kind of command. Okay, so as you can see, 2 rows are affected. Now why 2 rows? Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, everybody's stream is now science. It means if you are using the update command without the where condition, then your entire table will be affected, right? Now we will move forward to the delete command. What is delete? Delete simply means remove the data from the databases. So how do we do that? We don't do the update query anymore. We simply write delete from and then the name of the table, which is student over here. And now we are going to put the condition like where ID is equals to 1. So 1 row affected, which means I'm just going to do the select query again. And so as you can see that the previous record is just deleted. Now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to write delete from student. And that's it. I'm not going to give any condition. As you can see, 3 rows affected. So what if I select star from student now? What's going to happen? What has it deleted? Okay, I get an empty set. So please remember, if you do this command, you are going to delete all the records. Let it be 100 or 200. But is my table still there? I've checked the description. You can see all the fields exist. Now let's check show tables. In my database, the table student still exists. So this is a proof that even if you do the delete from student command, nothing is going to be deleted. Like the table itself or the table structure, only the data will be replaced. Now let us go through the update command once more. That update is used to modify existing data. You always need to use where to target specific records, and using update without where will change all the rows. So always use update carefully whenever you are using it in real databases. Now we will take a look at the next one. The delete command. The delete is used to remove the records permanently. So once deleted, you cannot recover it. Delete command without where is going to remove all the records. So you need to always check the data using select before you go for the delete command. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Bytes Coders for more coding videos and more learning videos on SQL.